Hi! On the Woodpecker today, I'm making this small cedar edge to protect Renée's flowers. The other day, Renée came back home with this flowering plant. She said she couldn't resist. But she has a small problem. She thinks she will damage it when trimming the edges. Okay, it's not the biggest trimmer, but Renée looks like a mad woman when she uses it. So, to put her at ease, I told her that I would make a cedar trim for her plant. I use a plank we took out of our deck. First thing to do is to tilt the saw blade at 15 degrees. Next, I cut one side of the plank. Move the fence and cut the other side. Since this is reclaimed wood, I still have a bit of work to do. I need 12 identical pieces. The last thing to do is to make 2 shallow cuts on the exterior. And finally, tie all the pieces together with 2 wires. This is super easy to make. In less than an hour, I had a nice round trim. The very last thing to do is to put it where Renée wants her flower. And then she needs to finish the job. Now you know what to do with an old cedar plank instead of burning it. And I'll be back very soon for another episode of the Woodpecker.